Here we are with the Holy Trinity, the first of three. And normally I teach them kerning, tracking, letting in that order. But because this is a kind of a weird one, and I'm going to show you a different way to do this when we get into production, but I want you thinking about this already. We're going to do tracking, letting, kerning. We're going to do it in that order. So what I want you to do, you have this. You have all caps, Valhalla Theater Arts presents Julius Caesar. Now with the black arrow, I just want this highlighted. I just want the rectangle around the point text. Again, if you don't have that line underneath there, bad things will happen. Now look, I'm going to hold down Option. See this key? The Option is to the left of the Command key on the left-hand side of the keyboard. That's where I'm working with it. I'm going to start pulling this down. It's going to make a copy. And I don't want it to move to one side or the other, so I'm going to hold down Shift at the same time. I got Option and Shift held down, and then when I let go of the mouse, let go of the mouse before you let go of Option and Shift, or all you do is move this, and you have a copy of this. Now, what I want you to do is learn how to use layers effectively. We're on layer 1. We've got 2 copies. You don't have a layer 2 yet. I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer above this and Command X. X is cut, not copy. If you right click on this, I don't know. I don't use right click. So Command X, it's edit, cut. See the shortcut? X. So Command X, it's right next to copy, and then I'm going to move up to this layer. And then instead of pasting, which will put this right in the center, I'm going to paste in place, and it's Shift Command V. Look at this. Paste in place. Shift Command V. Start learning these things, because this means you're telling Illustrator put it back exactly where it was before. Shift Command V. Now, I'm going to lock that bottom layer, and that way we can't mess with this. We can't do anything to this at all. And we now have our copy of this on a new layer. I'm going to come back in the next video, and we're going to change the size of these. Remember how this worked right here? I'll turn that one off, that one on. Remember how this worked? We're going to do this to start with, and then play around with tracking the spaces between these letters. We're going to open this up, and we're going to close this down.